Today we're going to break down why production scheduling has gone from an afterthought to now a top priority in the boardroom, especially for companies that are serious about sustainable growth. And here's a fact that hits the nail right on the head. Your entire supply chain, all that money that you've invested in IBP planning and forecasting, well, it's only as strong as your production schedule. That is because production scheduling is part of the last mile push, and it often runs on spreadsheets and old ERP modules. The result? Work in progress piles up, changeovers spike, planners scramble to make things work. So why has scheduling suddenly jumped into the spotlight? There are three big reasons. Reason 1. Cost pressure. Extra work in progress or long changeovers aren't tolerated anymore. Every minute of setup is margin, and quick changeover programs can cut it by nearly 60%. Margin gains without new capex. Reason 2. Constant disruption. Late materials, broken machines, shifting crews, static schedules crack fast. Agile scheduling keeps production flowing and commitments on track. Reason 3. Ever-increasing volatility makes it necessary to reschedule in real time. Hybrid machine learning with meta-heuristics already work in volatile environments. The next step is AI agents. Reschedule instantly, run what-ifs in seconds and reveal hidden capacity. Schedules go from fragile to flexible. And this isn't theory. In chemicals, smarter scheduling has lifted order service quality by 30%. In defense, project schedule accuracy is up 20%. Real boardroom results. How? By adopting a new playbook built on 3 pillars. 1. Decision intelligence. Run scenarios and pick the KPI winner before committing. 2. Integrated systems. One source of truth across ERP, MES and planning. And 3. Disruption management. Sense the hit, auto re-optimize and keep your promises. This is what moves scheduling from the back office to the boardroom. Speed, resilience and growth. So, modern scheduling doesn't just drive efficiency, it changes the game. The boardroom shift is this. Your supply chain is only as strong as its scheduling, and great scheduling can fuel real growth. It means getting more from existing resources, giving priority slots to your best customers and trimming waste and energy to hit cost and sustainability goals. So, stop patching old spreadsheets. Build intelligent schedules that adapt, learn and decide in real time. Give this a like if it helps you and subscribe for more. Want to read a deep dive article about this? The link is in the description.